Here's my latest design. It's a Caddy for Mini-Mags used in DSMC and DSMC2 cameras. On the front and side face, the card capacity is displayed. You choose the value when you order your set. There are also two acrylic inserts on the front face, so ACs can keep track of roll numbers. No need for those camera tape tags that can fall off and leave a sticky residue. It says mag number here on this prototype, but it's going to be roll number on the final version. There's also a status window. When you load the mag, it clicks over from green to red. Now when you unload the mag, everyone can see it's been loaded and will treat it like there's footage on it. Once your DIT has dumped the footage, they use the reset switch on the back, taking it back to green. Now when it comes back to camera, you can have some peace of mind that this card is safe to reformat. On the back, there's an area for your info, your company, contact details, logo, whatever you need to make sure your cards don't get mixed up with anyone else's. When you make an order, follow the instructions to add your design. Let me know if you need help with this. Not shown here, there's also going to be a serialized mag ID number on the back of the final version. This will help ACs keep track of cards for their camera reports. And there's also some contoured finger grips on the top and bottom edge. Much easier to handle, even with gloves. And that's it really. If you have any questions, just get in touch. Thanks for listening and stay safe.